Hey, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, got some Hugelkultur kind of raised areas. Got a raised bed. I got a huge one over here. I got the screen compost on these two. Got them planted. Got them watered. Today I watered them again. I had to take a nap. There's all the potatoes and such. So that's looking good here. Have yet to dive into that one. Man, mosquitoes are awful. So there's a few more needs to get planted there. The porch is pretty much full still. Uh-oh. So we have to cut this short. Should have worn a shirt. So I'm going to fill that up soon. I think I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to trellis. I could probably get 2 trellises in there. Brainstorming. One thing's for sure, by the time I find that place in the middle of the country, find a real homestead, I'll know exactly what to do when I get there. So, I'm going to keep practicing. Oh, this morning I was getting ready for work, and a video popped up, Deep South Homestead, and he was talking about most farmers put something on their hay. You're going to have to go check that. It was today's video. So, you're going to find out tomorrow's video, huh? So, yesterday's video. Whatever's in the hay can't affect the tomatoes, and he found out in his greenhouse there was only one area where he had probably twice as long as that bed there, and is wilting the leaves. He'll tell you exactly how the leaves are wilting because of the pesticide. It lasts for up to 19 months. So he did find a farmer that, after many phone calls and friends giving information, he found one, and he bought all of those bales that were available that do not have any pesticides at all. So I'm going to wait and see what happens, because I still got more out there. As to whether or not I'm going to use it, well, it's mixed with wood chips, 2 kinds of wood chips, and a whole bunch of other stuff, and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this works out first, and one day at a time. So I'm out. I'm going to edit this. I got to work overtime. I'll be at work at 4 in the morning. So I'm out, and you have a nice solar garden day.